In this video, I'm going to show you how to download iOS 18 wallpaper on your iPhone. So if you can upgrade to the latest iOS 18, whether as a beta version or when it's officially released to the public, you can set in the iOS 18 wallpaper as your iPhone wallpaper on any iPhone. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to download iOS 18 wallpaper, all you need to do is open your browser. Here I'm going to use the Chrome browser. Then once you open it, search for iOS 18 wallpaper. Then you can download the 4K or HD. So this depends on your choice. Here I'm just going to go ahead and download the iOS 18 wallpaper. Then once you click on that, you should see different videos on the iOS 18 wallpaper that you can download. So here you need to make sure you follow a trusted web page. So let's say you want to download this from this particular website. Download the official iOS 18 wallpaper for iPhone. Click on that. Then you need to hang on for a couple of seconds for this web page to load. Now, once on this web page, where you can see download the official iOS 18 wallpaper for your iPhone, just scroll down. You say this is the pink wallpaper for iOS 18, and here this is the yellow version, this is the azure version, this is the purple version. Now select any one you want to download here. So let's say I want to download this as my wallpaper. Just press and hold it like this. Then you should see save in photo. Go ahead and click on that. Then tap allow. So this is going to download and save to your iPhone iOS 18 photo. Then go back to the home page, open the Photos app, then scroll down until you get to the recent, that is pinned collection, that's under recent. Click on recent. Then this is the wallpaper you downloaded. You see that? So recent, this is how it's going to look. Now to set this as your iPhone wallpaper, all you need to do is this. Lock your iPhone screen, unlock it to your Face ID, press and hold the lock screen like this, click on customize. Now click on the plus icon. You can just swipe left like this, or just go ahead and click on the plus icon. So once you swipe left, under add new, click on plus icon like this. Now select photo under add new wallpaper. Once you selected that, this is going to open your iPhone wallpaper on your iOS 18. So you need to take time on iOS 18, and once this opens, now click on all. Here select the wallpaper you downloaded, that's the iOS 18 wallpaper. Click on that and then hang on for a couple of seconds. You can see the wallpaper is loading. Now once the process is completed, this is what you're going to see. Then go ahead and click on add at the top right. Then you see settings. Then you'll be prompted to set this as a peer wallpaper or customize home screen. In this case, let's set as a peer wallpaper. Set as a peer wallpaper. And then there you go. Then you can now go back to your iPhone home screen. So this is what you're going to see. So this is how you can really download and set the iOS 18 wallpaper as your wallpaper on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.